Good morning, traders. I am Stephen Davis, Senior Market Strategist. RJO Futures, it's Friday morning here, February 19th, and we're talking about the grain markets here in the next couple of minutes. Okay, markets are higher here this morning. The USDA, they've got their forum this week, and the numbers they came out with this morning, there's really nothing bearish in the numbers that they came out with. So markets are acting pretty well here. The USDA kind of lower corn acres and higher soybean acres than expected here. But again, nothing bearish and really nothing negative here. And why the USDA is so low on corn exports, I'm still not sure about that. But really, in reality, we don't know People's Republic of China, their corn import demand here, what it will be. And the USDA, they're dragging their feet on this here as we move along. So, China, they talked about their enormous corn stocks. Well, they were lying, and this is why corn is over $11 in China here. So, in 1972, the Russians stole our grain from us, and a lot of this China buying of our agriculture here in 2020 and 2021, the Chinese doing a really good job of stealing our grains here at lower prices. So the weather in Argentina, Brazil, still kind of calling along here, and it's raining in Argentina, delaying the harvest, so that's still an issue, and we'll keep talking about all of that. Soybean crush this week in January, a record, up 4% from last year, so we're not rationing any soybeans at these levels here, so I'm still bullish these markets, these row crops, and I'm getting friendly wheat, Kansas City wheat as well. So first chart of corn we show you here, trending higher. Soybean chart, the next chart, looks a little top heavy, and some analysts, we get a February break, and some of the clients and traders and mentors that I work with, they kind of think this is it, the break in February. So we're consolidating, we're sideways, and these fundamentals are still positive here. So today is the March options on Friday. They expire here. I've just got a boatload of corn and soybean options here with many different clients. So, and options give you staying power in these big bull markets. So it's a nice way to trade on these here. So the wheat market, next chart, you can see this is Kansas City wheat now, breaking out to the upside. I think this is going to continue. And, there's 15 different nations of wheat crops of significance in the world today. So, it's very dry spring for us in the plains, and I think, these, as we fight for acres, as we move into spring planting, I think wheat and markets like cotton, they're going to rally because they want to hold on to the acres that they have here. Okay, the UN Food Agency, the FAO, they're very concerned about grain stocks, and as they should be. A front page article in the Financial Times this week, and commodity super cycle, and it's just the world's real concerned about food and food shortages, and we're seeing this in our great country. There's widespread delays of food and water shortage in Texas here, so it's going to take more than 1 year to ease these tight balance sheets in the grain market. So I'm still bullish and still friendly to the market. Let's all have an excellent weekend.